Which Yosuda magnetic rowing machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, MERACHQ1S Rower. First up, we have the MERACHQ1S magnetic rowing machine. Priced at $189.98, this model caught my attention because it's labeled as a bestseller with an impressive 4.4-star rating from over 2,200 reviews. If you want a solid rower that offers smooth and quiet resistance, this is worth a serious look. It features a magnetic flywheel system that makes your workouts almost silent, so you can row without waking up the entire household. With 16 resistance levels, you can start easy and ramp up your intensity as your fitness improves. Plus, it includes the MERACH app, which tracks everything from calories burned to heart rate, letting you see your progress in real time. That's super helpful if you're someone who needs that extra motivation. The maximum weight capacity is 350 pounds, which accommodates a wide range of users. This really matters because you want something sturdy that won't tip over as you row. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get it together, it's easy to move and store, plus it saves space. So if you're not overly concerned with a slightly tricky setup, this machine is a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a durable rowing machine that offers a variety of resistance levels without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more advanced display or features. Now, if the MERACH's assembly frustrations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Yosuda Magnetic Rower. Next up is the Yosuda Magnetic Rower, priced at $239.99. With a 4.5-star rating and over 2,500 reviews, this rower really stood out. If you're after a machine that grows with you as your fitness level increases, this is definitely worth considering. What makes the Yosuda special? For starters, it offers a high-power magnetic resistance system with 16 levels. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, you can customize your workout to match your needs. It has a 14-pound flywheel which provides smooth resistance, and the extra-long slide rail accommodates users up to 62 tall. This ensures you can achieve a full range of motion while rowing, which is important for proper form and maximizing your workout efficiency. Plus, it connects via Bluetooth to the Yosuda app, which includes interactive training programs and tracks all your key workout metrics like distance and calories burned. However, some users mentioned the seat could be a bit uncomfortable during longer workouts. I'll be real with you. While it's not a deal breaker, if you're planning on long rowing sessions, you might want a cushion or a towel for added support. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a great all-around machine that offers interactive features. Skip this one if comfort is your top priority during workouts. It's good value for money, especially for those who want that extra engagement in their routine. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more budget-friendly choice. Product number 3, Drypex Magnetic Rower. Third on the list is the Drypex Magnetic Rower, coming in at $169.99. This one's got a 4.5-star rating from about 1,000 reviews. If you want a solid, budget-friendly option, this could be your best bet. So what's cool about the Drypex? It features a dual slide design, which enhances stability and allows for a smoother rowing experience. The 16 levels of magnetic resistance cater to all fitness levels, and it includes a powerful, quiet engine that operates below 15 decibels. This is fantastic if you live in an apartment or have a home gym where noise is an issue. It also has an LCD monitor that tracks your progress in real time, so you can really see how hard you're working. Some users reported that the assembly took longer than expected. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's compact and easy to store even in tight spaces. Plus, it's really lightweight, making it easy to move around. This is perfect for you if you're new to rowing and want a reliable machine that won't take up much space. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced tech features or if comfort during longer workouts is a priority for you. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the compact design of the Drypex interests you, You'll want to hear about our next pick. Product number 4, another Yosuda rower. Fourth on the list is another Yosuda rower priced at $189.99. With a 4.4-star rating from about 1,900 reviews, it's a favorite among many. If you want something reliable and easy to integrate into your fitness routine, this might be the one. This is perfect for anyone looking to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health without stressing their joints. It also features a sturdy construction that can support up to 350 pounds, and the magnetic resistance system is super quiet, which is great for home use. You'll also appreciate the smart app connection, which gives you performance tracking and keeps you motivated with guided training programs. However, some users did find the seat could be improved for longer sessions. Honestly, it's a minor issue, and for the price, it still offers great value. Just be prepared to add a little cushion if you plan on long workouts. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable machine that offers a great workout without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're extremely picky about comfort during extended sessions. It's a solid value for any home gym. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more premium, wait until you hear about the next one. Product number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness Rower. Finally, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Rower, which is priced higher at $399.99, but has an impressive 4.5-star rating from nearly 4,800 reviews. If you want a premium option with a lot of features, this one's definitely worth checking out. This rowing machine features a premium build with a 50-inch rail for a complete full-body workout. It targets major muscle groups effectively, and the Whisper Quiet dual rail system ensures you can work out without disturbing anyone. It also offers 16 levels of resistance, which can be adjusted easily to suit your workout intensity. Plus, it comes with free access to the SunnyFit app, which provides a plethora of workouts and challenges, an awesome bonus. But here's the catch. Some users found the price a bit steep for what they get, especially if they're looking for basic features. Here's the thing though, if you want a durable rower with a solid build and extra features to enhance your workouts, the investment could be worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your fitness journey and want a high-quality machine that supports various workout intensities. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just want something basic. It's a premium option that offers great value for serious fitness enthusiasts. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic Yosuda magnetic rowing machines. From the budget-friendly Drypex to the premium Sunny Health and Fitness model, there's something for everyone. Each has its strengths, so consider what features matter most to you before making a decision. Happy rowing!